Hey YouTubers, welcome back to Lolita's Kitchen. Today we're making Batido de Mamey, which is a milkshake made from this fruit right here. This is the mamey. This fruit comes from Cuba and other Latin American countries, tropical island. Um, it has a it's on the outside it's kind of rough. It feels like sandpaper. Um, and the inside is a bright orange. So how you tell that the mamey is ready to be used is by how it feels. When I first bought this from the store, it was hard as a rock. It was rock hard, so I couldn't use it. So I asked a few people how I can ripen it fast, and they told me to put it in a towel, put a plastic bag over it, and put it in the oven. Or either just put a towel around it and a plastic bag and just leave it in an area where it's warm. So I did that, and 5 days later, they're ready. So we're going to start off by we're going to cut it open first so I can check out how pretty this fruit is. Okay, before we start, I just want to show you that if you can't find this fruit, which is very hard to find, I was just lucky to find this. That's the reason I'm so excited about making this video. You can find this in the grocery store, in the supermarket, in the frozen section, and it looks like this. That's what it looks like. So this one is still not ripe enough, so I'm going to leave this one. This is the one that I'm going to open. You can tell when it's ripe when you feel it. If you feel it and it's soft, then it's ready. Also, if you do a scratch test and you scratch off the skin, you can see the orange in it, and you can tell that way. It's been 5 days, and I'm so excited. Okay. And it has a seed inside here that I can feel. Okay. Okay, guys. This is the moment. This feels, oh, look at how orange this is. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. So I'm just going to remove this. This is the seed right here. Look at how big the seed is. This seed is huge. And it has this part right here that you have to take out. You put that in here. This seed, they say you can clean it off and you can grow it. And you can plant it and grow the tree. But I'm not in a warm enough climate, so I can't do it. So, this is the beautiful mamey. Look at how soft this is. Look, you can actually eat this. This is, I mean, look at the consistency of this. It's like velvet. And I'm going to try it because this is the first time I'm eating a real one, like a fresh one. So I'm going to try it. Oh my God. It's really so sweet. I mean, sweet. It tastes like, if you ever had sweet potatoes, that's what it tastes like. Yeah, it tastes like sweet potatoes. Oh my God. It's so smooth. It tastes like creamy. It just tastes creamy. Let me stop because I'm gonna eat this whole thing. I gotta make this shake. But this is delicious. This is really delicious. Okay, so we're gonna start off by making oh my God, this is delicious. I didn't realize how delicious this was. Okay. I might not even need this. This is really sweet, but I'm gonna use it anyway. Okay, so now that we cut the mamey up and slice it in half, we're going to put it in the blender and blend it up. So we're gonna use this spoon here. This is thick and creamy. Oh my God, this is heaven. This is heaven in a glass. Oh my God, you guys have to try this. If you can get a real fresh mamey fruit, get it. But if you can't, then you can use the frozen one that I showed you earlier. But this right here, guys, I'm beyond words. Well, thank you again, guys, for spending the time with me, showing you how to make Batido de Mamey. It was my pleasure, definitely my pleasure. And I'll see you guys on another video. Thanks for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.